Well, here we are with the build, and as you can see on the screen, I am not running Linux. After essentially 2 days and just problem after problem after problem, I have called it quits on Linux and decided just to bite the bullet. I've installed Windows, and I'm going to go with Mach 3 CNC software to control this. So I've literally just finished the installation. I've downloaded a test copy of the software, the Mach 3 software. I've powered up my Probotix. I got my parallel port card installed. I think it's working. I don't know yet. Oh wow, those are hot. So yeah, this has been on. These have been on, and those suckers are hot. Unexpected. Okay, so let's see what happens here. I really don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to fire it up and go. All right. Reset. I'm sure there's some tutorials online for this, and we're going to probably have to refer to them, but this looks so cool right now. All right, feed rate, spindle rate, tool information, and oh, cool, X, Y, Z. And tool path, offsets, settings, diagnostics. Well, okay, so now will bugger me. All right, well, so tinker around inside here. It's obvious it's not straightforward, and I'm going to have to go take a look at some tutorials, and once I do that, we'll figure out if I can get this sucker to just move, for God's sakes. All right, bye.